All right, this is the A Premium power window regulator and motor for a 2012 to 2019 Chevy Sonic. I have a 2015 Chevy Sonic. This particular one is for the front passenger window. That's it. It's auto arrived just like this, so that's good. So that's the one I pulled out of my car right there. This is the front passenger side. Looks pretty similar. I'm not a mechanic, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. First thing I noticed right off the bat when I pulled this out is there's white, I think, lithium grease on here, white grease. So you're going to want to put some grease on here. It is not there. On the old one, you know, this is actually a fixed 2-pin connector. This is the 2-pin model. And on this one, it is, you know, a free 2-pin model. I've plugged it in. It does connect up. Let's test this thing out and see if it works before I put it in. I actually don't know if my window regulator is the problem with my car because I'm not really a mechanic. We'll find out. Let's give this a test. See if we can get it to move. Yep, it works. There we go. We know it works, so I'll show you what it looks like installed and make sure that it fits like it's supposed to. Fits in there perfect.